The single most important piece of advice I give my clients who are Enneagram Type 3s is to focus on being an outstanding leader rather than an outstanding doer. 3s tend to be successful because they work harder than other people, they work longer hours than other people, they have more passion for achievement than others do. What this means is that they often excel as individual contributors, people who take it upon themselves to get something done. When they find themselves in leadership roles, there can be a bit of a psychological disconnect because now they're trying to do things through others when deep down inside they have the mindset of an individual contributor. 3s need to make this transition from being an outstanding doer to being an outstanding leader, to ask themselves, okay, how can I now be outstanding in a new way? We don't want to tell 3s don't worry about being outstanding because it's what motivates them. So what they have to do is understand that there are different behaviors involved in being an outstanding leader, which means developing people, giving clear instructions, being patient with people when they need patience, and effectively pushing people when they need pushing. It's a big difference, and it's the single thing I have seen that leads to 3s being more successful at greater areas of responsibility in organizations.